Hey, I'm Guillaume Cabane. I'm also known as G. I'm the former VP of Growth at Segment and at Drift, and now I'm a growth advisor for multiple high growth startups. I've been using the MadKudu extension for Google Sheets at all of my past jobs, and it's been extremely useful to quickly qualify top of funnel leads before entering them to the CRM and find out which events I should go to and prioritize who I want to talk to at those events. It's my go-to tool for quick lead scoring without any integration.
The way we use MadKudu for Google Sheets is we look at the quality of leads that are scanned at events, whether they're online events or physical events, and we add those leads to the Google spreadsheet. Then we implement the MadKudu for Google Sheets add-on, and it scores all of those lists. And then what we do is we send the leads that are scored good and very good to our sales team so that we know that they are following up on the highest quality leads.
Hi, I'm Axelle Heems. I'm head of ops at Gorgias.io. We use the MadKudu extension to quickly score prospective lists of companies and contacts that we might gather from different types of sources, and do so before we even import them to the rest of our stack. It is particularly useful for our biz dev team so that they can qualify events that we might want to go to. All they have to do is basically ask for a list of past attendees to the event organizer, and then they can score the list of domains and consequently make a data-informed decision on whether or not we're going to go to that event. You can just do that without any coding skill required. It's really an on-the-go possibility. So I would definitely say that it's a go-to tool to prepare for and at an event.